Hello, good morning. I'm with my Bessie. We're going to Sentosa. Tingnan mo yung attire. Oh, diba? Saan kayo dyan? Ako yung nagsabi magdala sombrero. Ako nakalimot.
Pero wala din ako sunglass.
Wala rin sunglass. Walang ano. Dito kami naglalakad. Lakad. Kanina pang lakad. 1 hour already. Oh. Oh, ayan.
Ayun, sinasabi ko siyang tubig.
Ayan yung sapa pala. Hindi kami
mo lang yan doon.
nagkaintindihan. Doon ako sa kabila. Dito siya pala. Diba? We're enjoying our Sunday. It's gloomy day today. I hope it will not rain.
I hope it will rain.
Kasi wala akong sombrero. Tsaka matanggal yung
I brought umbrella.
eyebrow ko at tsaka lipstick pag umulan. Oh, ayan, ayan. Dito kami. Diyan kami. Ayan, may mga saging.
Parang walang
Ayun, may puso ng saging. Ayun, may jackfruit, may guyabano, pero wala pa siyang bunga. Titiri ba to? Bes? Ayan, may ano, may tsaang gubat. Tapos may, ano ba to, Bes? Curry leaves. Curry leaves. Dito kami. Deep water. Sa deep water. Maraming nagbabike.
Ang ganda itsura mo, Bes.
Diba? Good morning, good morning. Chinese New Year is coming. Ampaw is coming. Tatawid kami dito. Welcome to Siglap Park. This is my first time here. Siglap Park. Kung saan ako napadpad. Today is Sunday. And then afternoon, I will go to Jurong. Jurong. Come with me to Jurong.
Ano yan, lokohan?
Oo. Changi Road Park. Changi Road Park. Okay. Crossing time. Look at the right. Look at the left.
Look at the right.
Ayan. 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 Welcome to Siglap Park Connector. Oh. Kasi pupunta kami sa Brown Line. Brown Line daw going to Vivo City. Di ba, Bes?
Saan ka galing?
Vivo City tayo. Ganda ng park. Pag mag-jogging ka dito, tapos rest ka dito. Ay, ang tagal ko na hindi nag-jogging.
So, nandito kami ngayon saan?
Oo.
Nandito kami sa labas.
Saan ba yung Brown Line?
Ito sinasabi ko yung
Na sinasabi na Brown Line.
Hindi, ito sinasabi ko yung tubig.
Yung usapan namin, mag-meet kami kasi sa Simbawang. And then, it comes out that they go to another left side and then I was in the right side. O, paano kami mag-meet? Nakatawa. Oh, tingnan mo, ang ganda ng ganyan style, oh. Oh, bet ko yan. Yung ganyan na siya, yung window, tapos yung design. Tapos meron siyang terrace sa taas. Oh, ganda, oh.
Si aquarium yan, di ba?
Si aquarium. We will go to see aquarium. It's free. Oh, I saw something. Ipil-ipil. Ayan, oh. Oh, parang province lang, di ba? Oh. Oh, kasi ngayon lang ako napunta dito, kaya yan. Nakita ko yung ipil-ipil. Ipil-ipil tree. Oh. May yung crow. Meron akong dalang $10 kasi gina-ready ko na para mag-top up. If ever na ma-short ako sa Eastlink. Then, oh, Sunday morning. Walang sun. Walang sun ang Sunday morning namin ngayon. Oh, diba? Ako. Kabit-bit.
Ayun na yung tinama yung building namin bisa. Ayun o.
Saan? Ah, yan yung dalawa na yan. O, ibig sabihin, doon tayo sa kabilang side nung nag-meet. Nung galing tayo sa church. Mga bahay dito, mga landed. Bis dito yata, bis yung papunta dun sa...
Ayun, Tilok Kurao, sabi ko
Oo,
sa'yo.
oo. Parang dito
Lorong.
bahay na. Ano namin na. Lord G.
Ganito kayumid.
Tilok
Humid,
Kurao.
humid ang ating ano. Napaka ano. Moonlight.
Oh, ang ganda ng flower.
Good morning.
Bes,
Dito ka ba?
marami para bikers dito.
Yes, dito ko lang sa ano. Hindi lang ito.
So, dito yung-
dito.
Oh, okay. Maraming bikers at joggers pala dito sa side na to.
Stay on the left.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito mag-jogging kasi ano, may makita mo yung... Wala, ang daming isda.
Alam mo yung umitin yung ano.
Ang daming isda. Pag sa Pilipinas, yan, wala na yan. Sa Kawali na yan. Ang daming isda, oh. Kakatawa.
Galing kami sa Pinbangan.
Oh, bes, parang sa ano yan, parang can put in the aquarium.
This one.
That one, the fish. The black fish.
Janitor fish.
Oo, hindi janitor, tilapia. And then the small one.
Thanks for watching.
Wow, silver fish.
Off ka.
Silver color.
Kaya taas. Oh, nag-off.
Oh, ang layo pa pala ng lalakarin namin.
Kaya na pa nga ako, Bes.
Ang layo pa pala ng lalakarin namin. Diyos mo 1 kilometer pa ba?
Bawang. Punta kami ngayon sa ano. Punta kami sa Sentosa. Sa may Sea Aquarium. Maliliit na mangga. Oh, sa may Sea Aquarium. Ito.
Hindi naman mangga yan eh.
Ito.
Maliit na mangga. Hindi mangga yan.
Punta kami sa Sea
Yan o, ang
Aquarium
daming
kasi mayroon
bunga.
kaming ticket.
Ang puno na yan.
Ano na, expire na.
Ito pala yung
Ako
Tilok
mamaya
Coral.
mag-lunch lang sa
Siglap. Siglap Park Connector. I'm with my best friend. Oh, tingnan nyo yung atay niya. Oh, saan pa kayo?
Walang loob. Ito, nandito kami sa ano.
Kakain na namin ng breakfast. Eat peanut with dried fish and bihon in the morning with TC.
Surtout maintenant quand tu vois tout ce que les capables de faire.
Daming nagbabike dito. I want to learn biking again. I forget. During my high school days, I know how to bike. But I wonder why at this time, I don't know already. Oh,
Matanda ka na ngayon, Bes.
yes.
Inaamin mo.
Inaamin kong I'm getting older now.
Not I'm getting an old already.
No, I'm still young but I'm getting older.
Young at heart.
Wow, ang ganda. Oh, ganyan talaga if you're
Ano ba sa kabila?
oh, di ba?
Ayan, ayun yung
Ang
park.
ganda dito, may park. Tapos meron pang exercise. Mag-exercise ka. Oh, I like this place but it's very far from my place. I'm thinking to jog again because I'm already okay.
Hindi pwede.
So this one is very nice
Hindi
place.
dito pwede dahil yung aming
Oh.
kasi lagi yung nagtatahol-tahol. So ayun yung park.
Oh,
Ayun
if
yung
you
park.
want, if you're near here, you can go jogging in this place. Oh,
Ayun guys, punta kami sa ano,
healthy lifestyle.
sa brown line.
At saka ang ganda ng view kasi tahimik siya.
Ayun, nag-
Oo, ang ganda. Oh, ang laki pala ng place dito. Wow, super.
ayun yung park.
Super ganda. Tapos yung bridge nila, oh.
Doon.
Oh, papunta sa kabila.
Ayun park.
Also, if you're living there, you can go here.
Ayun yung park.
Tsaka mayroon siyang park for children. Oh, super ganda. Bes, saan yung brown line? Isang kilometer pa? Nako. Punta kami sa brown line. Galing kami sa green line. We're from green line and then
Matandang yan. Lagi ko nakasalubungan sa umaga. Yan, may dalang lahok.
we're going to
Brown line.
brown line.
Ayun pa yung bahay ko. Di ba tatawid pa tayo
Bes,
doon?
look.
Sino yan?
I don't know.
Iyan naman ko. Isama ko mo ko sa ano. Sa live mo.
Wow, this is not live. This is for my video.
Hello, madam.
This is for my Sunday video.
Good morning.
Oh, daming fish. Fish, oh. Diyan, oh. Ayan, oh. Wow, I like it. Kaya lang, sobrang layo dito sa amin. Sobrang layo. Dami talagang fish. Say hello. Hello. Daming fish talaga. Best, I like that. I like that design.
So, alam mo na.
Best, I like that design. Ayan, ang ganda, oh.
Guys, alam na kung saan ang ilog.
Oo, this is going to the beach.
Sabi ko mag
Kasi
kami sa ilog.
we're meeting. She told me that we will meet in the river like this. But the problem is I'm in the other side and she's in exit A and I'm in exit B. Exit B has also playground and
Napakainit. At saka
has river also, but this is in the other side.
init yung big.
It's a very nice place. I haven't been here before. Super ganda. So it's our walking time today. I don't know how many steps.
Hawakan mo para makita mo. Hawakan mo.
How many steps I have. I don't know how many steps I have. Oh, tingnan mo yung best ko. Look. Look how sexy she is today. Look how sexy she is today. Oh. Ang ganda talaga dito. Next to this is Siglap East Coast.
Ano?
This connector is going to East Coast. This river. Ay nako, sira ang postura pagdating sa brown line. We're walking maybe
1 hour.
10 o'clock. The opening is 10 o'clock and what time?
9:30 pa lang oh.
Ha?
9:30 pa.
I don't adjust my watch, sorry.
9:30 pa lang. Tama yan ah.
You see, this is, the other side is both landed.
Kasi pag sinasabi
Best.
ka, pag
Best.
kung
Best.
dito lang tayo
Best.
nagpapakita, o di,
Ang, ang laki ng bahay na to, bes. Oh.
saan?
Yun, yung brown, no?
Ito.
Oo,
Ang lawak no.
oo, di ba?
Pero parang ano lang yan, parang
Landed lang siya.
ano lang siya. Ito malaki.
Landed nga lang.
Best ito, blue ang malaki. Yan.
Ayan, isa lang yan. Isa lang yung may-ari. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 3 doors.
Isa lang yan. Ayan mo.
Oh,
Ate naman may mga kadera.
ang lalaki ng mga bahay dito. Oh,
Landed.
lalaki. Dito naman,
Wow, so,
mga private condominium.
kuya G.
On the other side
Chacha lang
is
yun eh.
landed houses. This is my first time. Lucky there's no sun. Today is no sun. Sunday, gloomy day.
Ano yung
Favor for us because we're walking.
walking down the street.
Walking down the street of Siglap Street. Siglap Connector, right? Oh my God. We reached our destination. We're already sweaty.
Dinalaw, Lao, nice view. Yes po, ayan o.
Ang ganda. I like this place.
Itong tubig na iyan, papunta na itong
Bes,
dagat.
bes, tingnan mo naman yung aircon sa bahay na yan, oh.
Ilan?
Ayun, sa kabila, oh.
Saan? Ang dami?
Bes, aircon.
Ano kung sila yata yan?
Ay, sumili.
Ang dami oh.
Nga.
Sa dulo.
Hindi, kusina yata, may aircon.
Ito ang kawawang mga.
Wow, sugar cane.
Pero pag sanay ka na rin
Sugar
sa
cane.
Pero pag sanay ka na rin sa landig na bahay,
Pandan leaves. Pandan. Papaya, guyabano.
ayan, pakita ka nito yung shutdown. Maraming nagja-jog dito. Ang dami papaya.
Vacant place but no plants.
May papaya.
When I'm here, I will plant
Where
something here in this place. Vacant but
I can face the world. Wow, mangga.
very big place. Landed houses. This is Tilok Corao.
Ayan lang sa amin oh.
Oh my, it's very far from my place. We're walking. Bes, meron din pala dyan exit din sa side pero ano lang for single, not like this place
Kasi may mga tubo.
for biking and for jogging.
Pathway lang yun para sa mga ano, sa mga
Pathway.
tao.
Left and
Mga
right for
palaya, oh.
bikers.
Palaya, papaya.
Bes, pag masipag ka lang ngayon, magtanim ka mga kamote. Yan, may kamote.
Wala
May,
lang mataniman sa amin.
oh. Yan.
Nakita mo na yung amin namin.
Yung ito ba?
Ito? Yung
Yeah.
kondo namin
Yung
dyan.
ito ba may space, vacant
Nakita
space
mo na
sila.
yung kondo namin. Ayan, dalawa.
Oo, pinakamataas.
Sa harap. Kita
Vacant space so they can plant vegetables,
Malunggay.
malunggay, the moringa,
Hello, Jen. Pabelyon. Thanks for watching.
flowers.
Langga. Ayla, Dali.
Very nice place.
Thanks for watching. Going
Oh
to-
my God, it takes so long for us walking.
Going to...
How long? We're walking from Green Line going to Brown Line. Ito ba?
Ayun na ako.
Oh, bes, you know this one? Shallow na ako. Kasi dapat meron yan palalim eh. Pero may mga sand na. Kasi yung amin doon, may lalim pa siya. Ganyan siya. Tapos yung drainage, malalim. Dito parang kalebel na siya ng ito, yung semento na dapat. Meron din siya mga buhangin. Pero clear water.
Check out yan.
Lucky I have something to...
Shout out daw
Madam.
sa kaibigan mo, yung taga-Inyo, si Ayla.
Hello, Ayla! Punta tayo Sentosa.
Mag-Ilongga ka naman, kay Ilongga mo to siya.
Kinarayaman yan.
Kinaraya.
Oo.
Pati hindi ba kayo parehas?
Good morning. Parehas eh.
Kaya nga.
We're speaking Kinaraya dialect. Kinaraya dialect. Oh my, I don't know this place. Morning walk. Sarap nandito mag walking. See? Walking. You can see flowers, pink flowers, kalachuchi, just different flowers. Yeah.
Hi, Ate Jovi.
Sarap.
Hi, Ate Jovi daw.
Hello!
Ayla.
Mayad nga aga.
Daaga daw.
Diin ka. To where today?
Ano sa church na yun?
To where today? To church.
Kita mo tayo mamaya.
Okay.
Ayan ako, kung mo pasada.
We're going there to the... Biruin mo. We're walking for how many minutes now? My video is already 17 minutes, so it means that we walk for 17 minutes already. It's okay. I saw, you see the beautiful flowers.
Baka nandito yung
Love it.
Baka nandito yung Willing Hearts.
Willing Hearts, Tilok Corao. Yeah, maybe. Tilok Corao is near hospital. I forget. Parkway Hospital. Yeah.
Yun.
Parkway Hospital.
Lapit
The
lang
street
sa
of Parkway Hospital. Yeah.
Lapit lang
Willing
sa
Hearts, where we do our volunteering. But we don't have schedule this month. Maybe next month. And in Krishna, in Little India, we do also volunteering in Krishna free foods.
Same ang mga car.
And we're also doing volunteering in bloodletting
Kagabi,
in Utram.
sa bahay pa ako, ay sos, may party pala kagabi daw.
And
Okay lang yan.
also, we're doing outreach.
Galing ako kay Dairosa kagabi.
And sometimes we do volunteering on marathon events, sports events like Diabetes Singapore, any volunteering events where if we're available, then nice. Or maybe here in this place, best maybe here, St. Patrick's School. We're here in St. Patrick's School. See, there's map here. So we go here from Queens Avenue. This is where we are. Parkway East Hospital. So this is Willing Hearts. We're crossing the street. I don't know where is this place. It's sunny day. Sunny day today, so it's very nice. You see? Very clean.
Punta kami sa brown line. Kaya sinusundan lang namin yung tubig. O, di ba, Bes? Sundan mo yung
Brown line is there. Oh my God.
Pag sinusundan mo actually,
Bes!
Bes, makinig ka. Pag sinusundan mo
Don't
actually yung
bar.
tubig, ha? O, di ba? Dito pa rin, oh.
Sangod na rin ba kayo? Look,
Dito pa rin, oh. Lusot-lusot ang tubig, di ba? Kaya sabi ko, sundan mo lang yung tubig.
you see the gate, I like it.
Ako lang instruction.
Ang dami kong likes dito, ang dami kong likes. Dami kong likes in this place. Wow! If you go here for jogging, it takes 1 hour from our place, 2 hours maybe. Today is low tide. You see low tide. Low tide. Nice plants.
Oo, ganyan yan siya, Kaila. Naiinis ko lang.
Plants here.
Ina-instructionan niya ako punta sa kanilang bahay. Diyos ko, kahit
Oh,
maganda ano ako.
she's
pero
talking
siya.
about me
Ang ganda na instruction
behind
ko.
my back.
Nagpangit kami ng paraan.
Very fun.
Hindi pa rin siya makakapura. Diyos ko. Paano kami magkukulang po doon sa kabilang ilong? Ako dito sa
She's
kabilang ilong.
we're on video and she's not looking the video. That's why we go in the
Kung dati kung
separate
ay, maraming sinundo.
because we're just looking for the river. This one.
Ako na lang mag-adjust.
It's not a river actually. It's a
Pagkagatan mo ba tong-
parkway.
Wala, oh.
Ay nako, ginabida niya ako dyan, no?
Oh, galit ka pa ba niyan? Tawa ng tawa sa
Hindi
ilaw.
kami makaintindihan.
Tawa ng tawa sa ilaw.
Ay, hindi kami makaintindihan. We're in the separate place. She's in B. Ay, she's in A and I'm on B.
Mag-meet halfway tayo, mag-meet halfway. Sabi ko, saan ka na? Makakarating na ako sa
Then,
Timbangan
church
Station.
mass is done already.
Makakarating na ako sa
Sorry,
Timbangan
Lord.
Station. Wala ka siya. Sabi ko, nasaan ka na?
We're not able to attend mass because I left home at about
Pero, ano na
7:30
ako lang.
because I slept late last night, maybe almost
Thanks for watching
12.
from Middle-
Usually
Good morning.
Saturday
Sa iyo dyan,
we're
good
on
morning for-
our social media looking for news,
Hello, beautiful.
chatting with our family in the Philippines because Saturday, Sunday, no school, no class, no work.
Sa iyo, Manini Marie. Good morning sa iyo dyan.
So
Sino, oh?
there's so many recreation here.
Ayan, punta kami sa brown line.
We're in brown line already. It's very far.
Hi, Mitina.
Brown line.
Ba't dyan ka na dumadaan? Hindi. Sinundo ko siya doon sa Kimbangan. Layo. Kaya nga.
Oh, tapos ibalik niya ako dito.
Balik
Doon pala
siya
kami.
dito. Sabi ko sa kanya, magpanagpo tayo doon sa may ano dito lang. Wala, hindi niya nakuha instruction. Lumabas siya sa exit B. Wala na exit A. Wala.
You don't tell me that we meet at exit A. You just told me that follow the river. I follow this creek. Oh, follow the leader. It's very nice tree. Oh.
Salamat. May lipstick. Wow. Sige po ni.
You see this tree, the shape.
May lipstick.
Oh, it's like
Ano po, forever na ito na
cone
lipstick.
shape.
Kahit wag ano pa.
I thank God we reach our place. We are already in brown line. My friends, thank you for watching. Happy Sunday, everyone. This is my longest video ever. 24 minutes. So enjoy. So this is a bougainvillea. Ay, kalachuchi. Kalachuchi. So we're here in, you see, Marine Terrace. MRT. This one.
Hindi siya makakuha ng instruction.
So we're here in Sigla Park Connector already.
Oh, saan ka nakapunta ngayon?
I don't know. Where is the...
Oh, see?
Oh, I was not familiar with this place.
Familiar place. Nakailan
Ha?
ka na dito, Diyos ko.
You see it? Saan ba yung kondo nyo, bes? Ayan, di ba?
Hala.
I was here twice maybe.
Ako, isang beses lang ako nakapagpunta.
Twice. Of St. Patrick's School.
Siya, yun.
I'm tired. We eat breakfast but now I'm hungry already. Green Singapore. You see? Like this place very much. When I went home, when I go home someday, I will miss this place, of course. I'm here for a decade, more than a decade. Almost 12 years now. So, thank you, Lord. The day is very fast. I can't imagine. I survived for a decade. Far from my family. I'm so grateful for my friends, my family who supported me, and doing volunteering helps me a lot, and it's a way of giving appreciation in this place, in the second home. Over here, it's an MRT stop, bus stop. I'm carrying my bag. I'm carrying my snacks. My snacks, my water bottle, my extra clothes, because I'm planning to go to Jurong, but I don't know. See how this afternoon. And we have a general meeting in Lucky Plaza this afternoon. So I'm entering Marine Terrace MRT station here in Siglap. This is Brown Line. I'll show you the biggest MRT Brown Line. I hope you enjoy watching. This is
Ano yan?
This is it. This is it. This is our Sunday. Every Sunday we walk, going to the place where you're assigned. So supposed to be today is our banding, organization banding, but we will avail our Sea Aquarium ticket. That's why I was not able to. Sea Aquarium in Sentosa. So we'll travel from here going to Sentosa. This is the nearest MRT station. So I'm here already. You see how big this MRT station is. This is going out. You see how big. We walk, going there. This is Brown Line. Brown Line going to Vivo City. There's bikes. There's bikes there. Go to SMRT. A minute from now I will off my video because we'll go inside the MRT, the train already. So I don't know if it's crowded or what. I just go walking. Maybe we already have 3,000 steps, maybe, or 5 already. Because some Sundays I have more than 20,000 steps the whole day. The whole day. So, I need to top up. Where's the top up?
There.
Oh, that
The
one.
other side, no, the other side. That one is just for the
Ceiling for the
no, for the
card.
Card.
Oh, so I have cash. So, I will top up on the other side. So we go there. See, it's very long MRT station. You're there. Kasi, ginachika ako ng best friend ko sa live niya. With my kababayan. Oh, maganda daw siya. Maganda daw si Bes. Friends, subscribers are watching now. It's time to have you eat your breakfast already. Eat breakfast before going out. Because it's hard. Take good care of yourself.
Pamasahe. $10. Ilang araw lang yung $10 mo?
Hindi ko alam, depende.
Depende sa
Depende sa lakad kung saan makarating.
Hello, Mami Annalyn, Garga, Betsy, Asuncion, good morning. Love you.
So I have
Bye.
$19 left, so it's okay.
So you have still 9.
Huh?
You have still
1973.
Yes, 1973, right?
Oh, because it's okay. Because I don't know when I top up, I don't know how much, so it's just for reserve. Because MRT has new lines already. Oh, Kong Hei Pachoy.
Picture mo ako dito, best.
Pachoy.
Picture mo ako dito, best.
Picture pa daw siya.
Yung sa'yo. Yung sa'yo.
Hindi ko ito magamit. I'm on video. Yes.
Yung isa mo.
Dito na lang sa isa, pero forward ko mamaya sa'yo pag sa bahay na ako kasi wala akong data dito.
Picture ako dito.
I'm charging my other phone because going home my...
Doon ka.
Wait! Kita nyo? Aching ako. Excuse me. God. Bes, doon ka sa gitna nga. Ayan, yan. Huwag mo takipan yung puti. Okay.
Ito nga una. I-ano mo sa akin.
Ano?
I-ganyan mo sa akin. Ay, wait lang.
Talaga makarating kami ng alas 12 nito. Oh, so hi! I'm done taking picture to my friend. This one, Happy New Year! Chinese New Year! Happy Chinese New Year! Good luck! Good luck to everyone. So we'll go down now. You see, oh. This is Marine Terrace. Marine Terrace MRT. Yes, this is Marine Terrace MRT station. Brown line. We are in Marine Terrace MRT station. Marine Terrace. Marine Terrace to Marina Bay. Ay, no, we'll go to... Where is it?
Here.
Where is it? Marina Bay.
No, from here, Marine Terrace.
Come here, Marine Terrace.
We get down to Outram Park. And then change to
Huh?
Okay.
Saan ba tayo? Marina Bay? Bes? Ay, dito tayo sa Harbor Front, diba? O, Sentosa. So, dito kami sa... Baba daw kami sa Outram. Saan ba yung Outram? Dito. Tama. Baba kami sa Outram. Ram. Layo pala namin. Dito pa kami, Marine Terrace. Ala. Punta naman kami dito. Ubos na naman yung siling ko. Pusanta dito. Tapos mamaya na naman, Balik, Outram, go, 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 Chinese Garden. Chinese Garden, balik na naman, punta ng, ay dito, from here, we will ride, I will go, malayo. Thank you for watching, my friends and subscribers. Happy Sunday, everyone. I will alight MRT soon. Thank you for watching.
Attention,
God bless
please.
everyone.
The train at platform B will end its service at Woodlands North.